just returned and you are shouting.
This.
Calm down.
I saw Echena making use of this phone.
What?
Like, I don't understand. I mean, how? How did he get hold of this phone? Father, I must sack that boy. He is now a thief. Isn't it obvious?
Wait. Father, did you buy this phone for him?
No, that is not possible. Father can buy him a phone as expensive as this. An iPhone. An iPhone 14.
Father, you're not saying anything. No, this is unbelievable. It's unacceptable and I won't take it. You bought an expensive phone for your gate man, your common gate man, and you're quiet. Listen, Father, you have to explain what is going on. You have to explain to us if that boy has cast a spell on you. Because I don't get it. How can you buy him this guy? What's his name again? Echena! 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 Will you fucking come here? Are you mad? Why would you call it? Echena!
Father. Why?
Is it not a phone? It's just a phone. What is all this?
What has he done to deserve such trophy?
What is a phone? It serves the same purpose. It's a phone.
A phone as expensive as this?
It is a phone.
An iPhone 14 for a gate man.
Lower your voice. It's just an ordinary phone. It's a phone.
It is not ordinary.
Whatever you call it, it is still a phone. Eh?
You are unbelievable.
Where's the master? Echena! Echena! What are you doing? Shut the fuck up! So my father got you an iPhone. The same phone with me, right? Wait. What are you feeling like? A common gate man like you.
What is it? Say phone with me. Hey, come on.
Leave that boy. I said leave that boy. Leave that boy.
You with me.
What is it? Come on, father, this is unacceptable. I can't take it. I mean, we have to explain why and what this idiot told you that made you to buy an iPhone for him. This is $500,000, Dad. What's going on? Come on. In fact, let me have the phone. Let me fucking have the phone. Let me have it. You see this phone? You're never gonna set your eyes on it again. Yeah. I promise you that. You just call me an idiot.
It's okay, I'll handle it. It's okay. I said it's okay, I'll handle it.
You just called me an idiot.
I will handle it. I said
you will handle it. Dad, what's going on?
Leave him.
This little gay man just called your son an idiot.
Just leave him for me.
A fool man, a whole man like me, they call it all. Nah, okay. See you.
By the time I'm done with you in this palace, in fact, you are fired. Echena, you are fired. I don't want to ever set my eyes on you in this palace again. Have I made myself clear? If I see you here again, I'll cut your head off. I'm very serious about it.
It is not in your powers to sack and fire. I am the one that hires and I fire.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes.
Is that what you're saying, Dad? Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes for the Jew. You're a bloody gold digger. You want to reap where you did not sow, right? I'll fuck you up. Get up.
No, please don't touch him. What is it? Don't touch him, don't touch him.
Hey. Come on, monsieur. You.
You come here. Come here, you. I said come here. Not Your Majesty.
Your Majesty.
What just happened?
Sir.
I said what just happened?
Oh, the princess, your daughter just dragged me by the shirt.
Yes, I did. Why are you trying to attack him? He isn't the one using an expensive phone.
Now listen. Listen good. Let it not be what I'm thinking.
Your Majesty?
I said let it not be what I'm thinking. If you dare me, I'll kill you. If you dare me.
Your Majesty, I'm innocent. I don't have anything. Your Majesty, I don't have anything.
I said don't dare me.
Your Majesty.
Hey! You talk too much.
My phone.
How can you call my son idiot? Is that the right thing to do? I'm trying to defend you and you are calling someone idiot.
Sorry, but my phone, I beg, my iPhone, you collect it from my mom.
I'll get you that. I'll sort it out.
Thank you. You. Girl, Nakachi. No. Make it come out. Make it just come out and make it go outside. May I come on this way for make you see the real me. It is say if me and they here and do a one-on-one, you go fit beat me. Idiot. I don't catch you there. Catch you can walk out. Did my iPhone though? Me no go sell and use and drink it bulumili. Idiot. Oya bulumili.
No way, Nine. No way. I'm not going to accept it. I will not allow my son to come all the way from Lagos and return just like that. Nine, if you are scared of that Igwe, Akoderim, I am not scared of him. He must return the crown back to the family.
Well, you keep quiet.
Nine, don't tell me to
keep quiet. Look, Chibuike, you better ask your mother to keep quiet because she doesn't know anything about this whole issue. She doesn't. So, keep quiet, woman.
Papa, what is really going on? You need to come and plain to us. Papa, this is your wife. And your son, Shibike. These 4 days of me being in this village, yet I don't understand what is happening.
Okay, Chibike, just for you to know, the Igwe has been very busy of late. And I have slated a meeting with him today. So why can't you allow me handle this issue in my own way?
What are you doing, Nai? How are you handling it? Nai, tell me, how are you handling it? What are you handling? Nai, if you are scared to make that move, my son and I will make that move for you. Nai, in fact, I will make that move for you, Nai.
Papa, you heard what Mama said, right? I'm giving it to them tomorrow to meet the Igwe and get back to us. Ogusekwa,
you heard him.
I'm
The
going.
word is saying
Mama,
no
coming.
for the wise. The agreement must stand. He must return the crown to the family, whether he has a son or not.
Give me the phone. Father, I won't give you the phone over my dead body, bro.
Me, bro? Stop playing. You are father, bro, because of phone.
You go leave this thing. You won't cover this up with this, bro. My father, bro. Your father, bro. You won't cover this up. Tell us here and now your connection and your relationship with that boy called Echena. We want to know.
Shut your mouth. He's not my son.
Then accept the DNA test. Accept the DNA test and clarify things. How could you buy a phone of over $1 million plus for him and give him money? The same phone with my son. No. Who does that?
Well, Father, Echena must leave this palace. We've all agreed that Echena is leaving and he must leave.
Says who?
Us. My mom, my brother and I. Yes. And secondly, I agree with my mom. Echena must run the DNA test.
Just imagine, he has been delaying. In fact, he has refused to make the kingdom recognize my son as a crown prince.
That's not true. It's not true. I'm planning that by next week I will summon the committee.
Please, lies, all lies. Next week, your next week does not ever end.
Oh.
Next week.
Oh, really? No wonder. You know what? Echena will not only leave this palace. I will kill him and bury him myself. Watch out.
Give me the phone before
Stop
you
playing, father. You will
Give
see
me
what
the
will happen.
phone. You telling me?
Igwe, run the DNA test. Run the DNA test and clarify things. Let's know if that boy is your son or not.
Ha! Where has it become an offense to buy phone, common phone, for my domestic servants?
You call that common. You are so unbelievable.
I'm telling you.
Get ready. We are going to run the test. Let's see the results.
You better say the truth now, it's still early for you.
Honestly, I don't understand all this. You people are making me stranger in my own house. Just common phone I bought for my domestic. That's why you people are running your mouth. The other idiot calling me, bro.
So you decided to come to our land?
Come on, hello, baby. I was looking for a place to cool my head. I don't know any other place than here.
Well, let me ask. Is the throne of Oru Kingdom rotational? Because why would you, the son of Ono, will be going for the throne? I heard it's by birthright. I'm sorry if I'm asking much questions.
The thing there is this. My father, the Ono of Oru Kingdom, received the mantle to rule the land. But ruling the land was very expensive as of then. He started looking for a wealthy man to lend him money. The greedy man took my father to a deity and had a sacred agreement with him to rule the land. And when I'm ripe of age, he will give the mantle back to my father to give to me.
Okay. So your father sold his birthright to the current Igwe?
No. He didn't have the capacity of what was demanded of him as of then. But now I've made money. We can handle the throne. So the Igwe is meant to give back the mantle to my father to rule. After then, he will crown me the heir to our kingdom.
Okay. It's now clear. That means, instead of helping your father back then, he decided to rule and then hand back the mantle later.
Yes. Now you get the point.
Would that even be possible?
No, it will be possible because they had a sacred agreement in front of a strong deity.
In other words, that means you're a prince by birth.
Yes.
Well, I wish you the best of luck, oh. And I hope that the Igwe will not do anyhow. You know power. It can make people change and become heady sometimes.
No. He will give it back to me. Definitely. He will give it back to me.
How long will this continue? How long? How long will the truth be hidden? How long? If open is one day
I know you. How are you? It's been a while you asked of me.
No. Who are you? Please. Who are you?
A child that asks questions does not mean sincere. You are gifted from birth. And that is why I am sent for you to see and have communion with me. I am Nnako, and you are Olebube, the princess.
Please. Who are you?
Don't worry to know who I am. For you will know very soon. Please, do not trouble your father. Have peace in your spirits.
Hey. She came to me.
Truth is like pregnancy that can never be covered. You're evil, can only last just for a while. A while. Okunaga wara wara, anyanaga zamzam.
Following your description of this woman that do come to your dreams, she has no resemblance of your mother.
I am confused. She keeps calling me a princess. And asked me not to trouble you again.
I think that's what you need to find out. Ask her, why is she always calling you a princess? And just find out who she is. Ask her again. If she comes to your dream, ask her again, who exactly are you? And why do you keep calling me a princess? Ask her like that.
Papa, I've asked her. I have. But she didn't answer.
Ask her again. Once she come again, ask her again. Who are you? Why are you calling me a princess? Who exactly are you? Besides, she told you not to disturb me again. Why are you disturbing me?
One day, just one day,
Wait. Why did they drag me like that?
Hey, I heard something.
What do you hear?
See, I heard that it was a Chena that told the Igwe to ban you from entering the prince's room.
Wait, did they play?
What they play?
A Chena. Nonsense, a Chena. What's in that one?
Can't you open your eyes and see that something is really happening in this palace? Our Igwe gave a Chena an iPhone. Can't you see?
Now that one shocked me past.
It shocked me.
See, I don't want the thing come. I don't want to think whether we'll give you iPhone or no give you iPhone. See, my rival for this palace now only Odohaki. No be a Chena.
Say your name again. Ahanabi.
Yes.
See, for this palace now, and this palace day here now, I be big boy. I tell you, for this palace, now me day here, no be those two they talk say, now me day here. For this palace now, now me day here. Forget though, is it on my phone? That my phone where you go, where you collect? Igwe, we collect it for me. Just now, because I tell him what to do, and he does it. Forget that nonsense way. That nonsense way. Kachi they talk, they rant, they talk nonsense. Kachi is an idiot. He calls himself Prince Kachi, Prince Kachi. He's an idiot.
But sir, what's your relationship with the king? Why does he do anything you tell him to do?
Nothing, no.
He must really like you.
I'm telling you, Grace. Grace. I am nobody. I'm just a palace gate man. Ordinary gate man, palace gate man with iPhone 14 Pro Max. You know, shock you?
I'm surprised.
Sure. Let me tell you, make him ban Adama from entering the princess room. And he obeyed. Let me even tell you, you don't know, you say you have for eye. As I tell you to employ you and free your woman, he did not do it.
You did it.
That is to tell you that I am the pillar of this palace.
You're very correct. Sir, I have so much respect for you.
That's good. You're doing well.
Yes. What's up? Do you have any relationship with the maidens?
Everyone.
Sir?
What's the problem now?
Sorry, sir.
You asked me about Igwe, and then you said nothing like Grace. Is the one who knows? What do you want to know?
I'm sorry, sir.
Nah, you can talk. Oh, I've got to say, when they hear they drink this in the trap.
No, sir. No.
As they do, as they drink, you don't like them.
No, it's okay.
Ah!
Thank you, sir.
They have nonsense. You're an idiot.
No, sir, sorry.
Ah!
You see, I told you what I heard. Like, he said it with all boldness, like with confidence.
Wait, so if Odoake did not,
What did I do, Echena?
Not just what you do, Echena. You should be asking, like, what kind of magic does Echena use that he controls our Igwe? As it stands now, the only thing our Igwe does is what Echena tells him.
Hey! What did I for do, Echena? Wait, though. You may be right. Because how can what did they call him, Echena? That dirty church rat, monkey from village, the whole life.
Kids boy. 14 Pro Max. See, you know me now. I know myself. Like I was so sure of what I heard. You know
forget
now.
I didn't
now
believe
for that
you
one, like my ear stand.
Hey, God bless you for this gist. No worry. Hey, whoa. I know they open my eye for this palace. What did I do you? Hey, so I don't go feed they enter my prince palace, they collect. Hey. No, lele. I know they carry last. Me, Adam, I no go carry last for this palace. I go make sure say this story go favor me. Hey, Jenna. Wait though, if now Udwak I dey give her bass now you, I go enter you full body. I will do something like. Hey.
Yes now. Now me. They call you Adam, you see any because they call you Adam Joy Idiot. See, let me go ask you when they ban you from entering the priest's room to clean that door. You are nonsense. Now me, I know they call you car, they fear you.
Echena, beg. What's in me I do you like this? I just say we'll be friends.
You won't be friends. The mad thunder when you get papa fire you the idiot. No, you don't forget say na me you dey do shakara for. You don't forget not really me they do shakara you hold me. Echena aka Ayana Funso now put that for everything. Me for this palace it goes so far from my hand. I go deal with you.
Echena, no big fights now. Na small agreement we will just get. See, you
know get agreement.
You know say you get power. Use your power talk to Igwe. Make you reinstate me. Say that Prince. I want.
My very God, shut up. You know say I get power. Now you go dey do shakara for me. You know. Come make I tell you. That way they do that, they tell me say, I no go you no go see him. Say this is your waist, I no go touch him, I no go enter here.
Echena,
you ever know say today go come, you know?
I beg, no vex now. Actually, I don't tell you say I did sorry. From today, if I do shakara for you, if I just vex you like this, no answer me again. I beg, just help me because just do this one. After this one.
If you do shakara, be? If you don't go do shakara, be? Now you talk more. So you need that word. Be? What did they look me now? So not be talking, you know, go do shakara for me.
I no go do shakara now.
You need that word. If I say open you, that's it.
Echena, I beg. Waiting at the time, me help me beg Igwe. Which one be Hey.
You want please, Abi?
You
want Abi? Fine. Tell me. What make you want please? No, tell me and make I know why the reason.
I love her. I won't be queen someday. He won't make her the wear this cleaner uniform. They clean everywhere, they clean everywhere. How many years? I beg now.
Thunder fire you for that way talk now. Oh, you love him, you love friends, you won't be queen. So as I did now, I know they good, but person not me. No, if you as you did now, you will be idiot. If you love me, you go die. No, na Saturday now I go walk. Am I that ugly? Or corruption? Am I that ugly? That can no longer be
like that now. Small before person will hear you. Now small thing you go just help me do a beg. Echena biko.
Wait to tell you what make ask you. I heard that you have a Dubai boyfriend. Eh? Go. Why is it that you guys can never be contented in this life?
Echena beg, leave that side. No be waiting they talk now. Ha! Sean be say I get Dubai boyfriend. Now Prince I dey fine. Just help me do. Okay, just help me do waiting I dey tell you make you do. Leave that side.
You want Prince Abi? Yeah. Make I leave that side. Yeah. Fine, I will give you Prince. Yes. You think I will be say one night for my room and everything will be normal.
Echena.
What is Echena? What is Echena? What is Echena?
Go talk that kind of thing.
Okay, I will talk that. Okay, you know what?
Echena beg. Now just small thing go just help me talk to you. Which one be say make me and you do now?
Okay, I know go make I enter that time. Turn the phone. Get out. I know go make I turn the
Echena beg.
Turn the fire you. Turn the window. Papa fire you. You know what make I. Okay, if you are ready, I am ready. If you are ready, come to the call up your fish. Okay, see, Echena beg chawagana. Don't tell me.
Echena small thing.
One night, come my room make I.
How you say that kind thing? I won't be queen. Say make I.
No, respect yourself. A good deal.
Che. Hey. Hey, how me that dirty Echena.
Oh no, I have no business as to regarding whatever nonsense you are saying here, that I should crown your son and not my son.
What? No. What nonsense?
Can you imagine this, darling?
Lola, let me expose this to you right now. The mantle of royalty was mine, and I brought it to your husband decades ago. And I asked him to lend me some money to enable me do the needful to become the Igwe of Oru Kingdom. But he refused and told me that he is also interested of becoming the Igwe as well.
What? Igwe? No. Allow him to land. Allow him to finish the nonsense. Go ahead. I'm all ears.
Good. Since I was financially incapacitated as at that time, I had no choice. He now told me, let's swear an oath if I do not believe him. He said, when my son comes of age, he will return the mantle back to my family. I had no choice. I agreed, and we had a sacred oath together. Your Highness, do you want the gods to visit you with death and also wipe your generation completely?
May the gods forbid this nonsense you've just said now. Okay, I didn't know. Since you wanted it this way, all right, Kaiko was here. No, Kaiko was here. Let us expose everything. Since you've decided to wash your dirty pants before my wife, let's go ahead and expose everything. Oh no, you killed your brother. Yes, you killed your brother whose wife is pregnant with an heir. Now between me and you the murderer, and myself, an opportunist, who is guilty? No, tell me, who is guilty?
So, you are reminding me of the past now, isn't it? You are reminding me. How did you get to know that I killed my brother and his pregnant wife?
No, listen, I am a very intelligent man. If not because of this kingship, I would have been somewhere in US as an FBI officer or something of that nature. Besides, I'm a wise man. Oh no, you took your brother and his wife to a bush and killed the wife because a seer revealed to them that the wife of your brother is having the first king of Oru Kingdom. You did all that? Yes! And besides, you sold the kingship to me. Yes, I settled you. I paid you. I told the chief priest to make you an Onowu. Yes. And allowed the Onowu to sit in your family lineage so that
After you, your son and others will become the Onowu. And here you are now, contesting the kingship with me. Something that you have already sold out. And besides, there is no way the gods would have allowed you to sit on that throne because you are a murderer. Your hands are bloody. You soiled your hands with blood. There is no way they will allow you to sit on the throne. Nonsense.
What? Really? Oh no. Are you this evil?
Yeah, he is.
You did all this and you still have the effrontery to demand for the crown?
He is. There is no way this fool will be sitting with me. There is no way. You are a nonsense person. In fact, I dethrone you. Call the chief priest to bring her down. No. Guard! Let them come and take this out of here. Guard!
Can only last just for a while. Okunaga wara wara, anyanaga zamzam, nafukwaya.
You say you want to see me, my brother. What's the matter?
Yes. Brother, I had a dream. A revelation. I saw a chief priest crowning my little boy, my little baby, a king, an Igwe, the baby that is yet to be born.
Do you know what you're saying?
Yes, brother. And when I woke up, I told my wife, and this is what we saw under her pillow.
Oji!
Brother.
Yeah. Well, this is a sign of royalty. That shows that your wife is carrying a king in her womb.
A king?
That is a male child in the womb.
Okay.
This is wonderful. May the gods be praised.
A king.
The gods have found royalty in our family.
A king, brother.
This calls for celebration. Just wait for me, excuse me. Ah! It is time to celebrate. Oh! Yes. Yeah. Great one. Let's drink. Take the big one because it's two of you. Let me hold it small. We need to celebrate this thing. Wonderful. Madam the madam.
King.
This is great.
King in our family, brother.
Wonderful.
A king.
I say this is great news.
I have never. May the gods be praised.
I'm telling you.
May the gods be praised.
Take and drink.
Brother.
Enjoy yourself.
A king?
Calls for celebration. Come, let me tell you. I will be leaving for the city to meet a friend of mine who will accommodate you and your wife there. You must leave this village right away because you never can tell an evil eye could see this pregnancy now and want to harm the child. So both of you must leave for the city. As soon as I return from the city, bam, you must leave. Do I make myself clear?
Exactly. We will do so.
And let me tell you another thing. This secret must not be revealed to anybody.
Not at all.
It should remain within this family. Am I making sense?
Yes, brother. Yes, brother.
Let it just be so. Great thing. How can the gods choose my little brother over my family? Why have they decided to be wicked to me? This is the boy I trained with my hard-earned money. Why? Why? So in this world, I'll be under his son's command and control. No, it can't be possible. No way. I must do something before this river swallows me up. Yes, I shall wipe them off and take the cowrie to see how I will get money and become the Igwe. Yes, for if the chief priest sees the cowrie in my hand, he will say indeed, the gods have chosen you. But what if I don't have the money to become Igwe? What will I do? What will I do right now? Wait, let me plan a way of killing Oji and his pregnant wife. Yes, I know they will go to their farm tomorrow. Yes, I will pretend to be away from the kingdom. A male child. A king? When I am yet to be married?
You know my brother, isn't it?
Yes. The one that has pregnant wife.
Good, very good.
Are we taking Oji down or?
His wife and himself, all of them. All.
Consider it done. That one a small akara case.
Oh, good. I trust you guys. Huh? No mistake.
No.
No tracing. So, you're done. Everything there.
Okay.
Everything is agreed. Clean job.
Consider it done.
Good. I believe in you.
How long will this continue? How long? How long? How long will the truth be hidden?
Igwe, you made me to kill my only blood brother and the wife. At the end of the day, you betrayed me. I am coming for you.
One day I got put
Hello, girl, what is it? What happened? I heard you shout. Why were you shouting? Huh?
Even the buyer can never trust you at all. If I'm born as a result, one day I got put if I'm born as a result, one day I got put
Hey, Afana, Papa. What does it? Is everything okay? Why is her face like that?
I don't know. She's giving me trouble. She'll be sleeping. Suddenly, she'll just wake up and shout, "Hey! Onangutanku." Eh? I don't know what else to do with her. I don't know. Look at her here.
Honey, are you okay? Is everything okay with you? What happened?
I had a dream. I saw a man dangling on a tree.
A man dangling on a tree? What type of dream is that? Did he try to kill himself?
And I don't even know him. I don't know who it is.
Anyways, it was only a dream. I bought you this.
Nice shoes to go with your dress for your birthday. You like it? It's fine. Oh, sorry. My boss is calling me. Hello? Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Hey, I have to go. Papa, I have to go. Yes. Okay. They need me at the palace. Papa, here. Use this for the weekend.
For me?
Yes.
Hey, I got to delegate my mom.
Say.
I got to delegate my mom.
He say.
Thank you very much.
Just manage it for the weekend.
Thank you very much.
Nee.
Thank you very much.
See you later.
Hey.
Papa, let me quickly rush to the palace.
Ademma.
Alright.
Ademma. Drive well.
Bye.
Drive safely.
This love is genuine. They are in deep love. Fafala wefananya. No matter what you do, you can't separate them at all. Oh, they be lovers, you. Leave them alone. They be lovers, you. They don't love themselves, you. Because of money. No be because of they money. Be lovers, you. They love they each other. They don't love themselves, you. Because of money. They love the sweetie me. They be lovers, sweetie me, sweetie they be lovers, you. Darling, they don't love themselves.
That is how to know a good friend. He always think about you. Huh? Look at it. He just bought you shoes. Huh? That's a very nice friend. And you are here dreaming. Keep dreaming.
This love is so this love is pure. They be lovers.
You cannot recognize the man you saw in your dream. You just saw an old man that hung himself.
A titled man, Papa.
A titled man. Where were you in that dream?
I was on my way to fetch firewood. Then I saw a man hanging by the tree.
It is a taboo for a titled man to hang himself. It's either the gods gave him the rope to hang himself for the evils he committed in the past, or he's frustrated.
So where can I see this man now and save him at least?
If it is the will of gods for that man to hang himself, you can never find him. Something tells me that the gods are behind that man's hanging himself. Don't worry yourself, my daughter. Relax, just forget about it. Oh?
Why did you expose this? Imagine a phone I bought for you. Why did you expose it to the public? Look at the problem you created in my family. Now they are thinking that I am your biological father. How can I be your father? I can't be your father.
Cholo, oh, you cannot be my father.
Of course, I can be your father.
Is that what you're saying? Of course, I cannot be your son too. I cannot be your son. See, good. My phone. I need that phone.
I'll give you the phone.
No, I need that phone. I need it too. I need that phone.
I'll give it to you.
See, if you don't give me that phone, you will go gas. I'll just gas everything.
I'll give you your phone. Even if it is not the exact one, I'll buy another one for you.
Better.
Keep your mouth shut.
Better, because if I tell Ezemo and Lolo that you are doing sweetie something, if I just tell them that you are fornicating with sweetie, then I'll go with sweetie,
It's okay. I said I'll buy the phone. I'll buy it.
Fine. See, Igwe, now two things. Now I carry me come. Don't make me say, make two of us see that two things. The phone don't go. The other one be say.
Say it now. Say it. I don't have all day. Say it.
Okay. See, I want you to promote Afana. I want you to make Afana the chief of staffs.
Huh.
I want Afana to be the head of service in this palace.
You are unintelligent. You are very, very unintelligent. The young man that is barely a month here, you want me to promote him? For how? How?
I have not landed. Don't just rush me. Just allow me to finish what brought me here. I want Afana to be the head of all the domestic staffs that we have in this palace. You understand me? And then you make me his vice. And then you will increase our salaries from 50,000 to 150,000 naira. Then Ahana, who is the head of all the domestic staffs, from 100,000 to 200,000 naira.
You are just an idiot, a fool. As if you are the one making the money for me.
If we forget this, forget how they see. If this royal mantle leaves your family, leave this family, or it will be a very big problem. If Lolo finds out that you are fornicating with Suwiti, if Ezemo hears it, you'll be in trouble. You know this. You know what my mouth can do. Once I open mouth, wow! Everywhere will scatter. Your family will just be at war. So do this, See, if Ezemo hears it, you're in trouble forever. You are gone forever. Forget about that. I'm demanding all this small money. Small money. See, do it. I really need to. You're not doing it. And then plus my phone.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you harassing me?
I'm not harassing you. I'm not doing anything.
Why?
I'm not harassing you. I cannot harass my Igwe.
You want to ruin my throne?
I cannot.
You want to kill me? Is that what you are planning?
I cannot kill you, Igwe. There's no way I can kill my Igwe. Although possible. All I'm asking is for you to get my phone. Then increase our salaries. Make Ahana the chief of all the staffs. Then make me vice. Increase the ego and you. No, are you doing it or you're not doing it? Tonight, In a make
it's okay, it's alright, I will do it.
You will do it, Abi?
Yes, I will do it.
Tonight? It's alright. Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you, Igwe. You will live longer than your forefathers. Oh, thank you, sir. Remember the iPhone 14 Pro Max. That's if you want to buy new one, exactly the one that idiot collected from me. Or you collect it from another pala. Who is catching?
Hey, this boy is hell-bent on killing me. Why? I must kill this boy. Honestly, I must kill him. What?
You say you kill me?
I said you're a good boy. I said, no, I'll buy it.
You say honestly?
Yeah, that you're a good boy. Yeah, you are.
You will kill me?
Who said that? I said you're a good boy. Yeah, you're a very intelligent boy. Go, I will do it. Go to the gate. Somebody's at the gate.
Oh, who is that? Who is that?
Idiot. I must kill you. If I don't kill...
Princess. Princess.
Hi. You.
I've been calling you.
Oh yeah, sure. Where did you go to?
I went to fuel the car.
Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah, take me home. We're done for today.
Are you okay?
Oh no. Oh, yes, I'm fine, of course. You have the car keys, right?
Yes.
Okay. Shit. I love this boy so much. I love him so much. I mean, is it that he doesn't see me? Am I not beautiful enough for him? I love him so much. What am I going to do? I mean, I need to do everything humanly possible to get him. He needs to lay with me. Look at me. I'm a handful.
do I do? What do I do?
Who is in charge? Echena. Here come Getty Man. Echena. Echena che way off ma. Echena che way off ma. Getty Man where they live larger. Trouble of Echena is too much. Even the king gives him his way. Everybody in the palace gives him his way. Cause all their movement, Echena knows them all. The palace is on fire because of Echena. Everybody is on kumkum because of Echena. Who is in charge? Echena. Here come.
Sweetie. You never bath? And there's no need I dey come. I dey come make we done together. Who this girl there now? I bet this girl don't go night walk. With who? With Igwe. Okay. Igwe. Who do I go? Where is this girl? By this time of the night. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Let it not be that it is this driver boy. I've said it, I don't like that boy. That mischievous smile on his face, I don't like it. The God, that if it is this boy, I will make sure I'll kill him.
Only you, now you, Echena, exclusive Getty Man.
Your Highness.
Come and sit down.
I prefer to stand, Your Highness.
Okay. As you wish. I'll be very brief. Can't you see I like you? I like you a lot. I want you to be my man. Yes. And I promise to take good care of you. Very good care of you. I'll buy you a house. I'll buy you a car. And in addition, I'll give you 10 million naira. But you have to stop driving my daughter. Because I know she's madly in love with you. I'm her mother after all. And I promise I won't meddle in your relationship with any woman. I promise. Just be my man.